Guys, this is bad. The siren just went off while I just came back at my dad's house. There's a tornado warning remains in effect in Clarkston until 7 o'clock p.m. Look, I was hiding in the bathroom all the time. Came in here, and taking cover. But so my phone gonna keep showing up that there's a tornado warning. When I was just came back home from my dad's house in Arbin Hills. So we just drive back home. I just ate cheeseburger with pickles and ketchup. But it's not in instead of like it was fattening. So I was hiding in the bathroom without windows. Didn't you see that the bathroom? They don't have windows. I live in Davisburg. I live in our trailer. It's something like we forgot to buy a house. Guys, don't show me that there's a tornado warning in my area. Please subscribe now.